At tumawin dito tayo.
Minsan tumawin nga dyan.
Dati sa Makina.
Alicia, tumawin.
Alright, your judge will be Mr. Christian Joshua Villanes.
Good evening, Queen number 3. You're one step closer to the crowd, and this is your question. A queen of Isabela is a woman of purpose. What is your purpose, and how would you use that to help your community?
The community.
Again, a queen of Isabela is a woman of purpose. What is your purpose, and how would you use that to help your community?
As an advocate for youth empowerment through education, I believe that education is the fundamental right that everyone should have access to. And I believe that education is the key to empowerment. And I believe that that is my purpose. It is to educate everyone, to educate what is happening, especially here in Isabela. And I believe that if we work together hand in hand as champions of change, for when we educate a child, we empower a generation. Thank you very much.
Everyone, how are you?
I'm feeling happy right now.
Okay, here's your
I'm
question.
feeling happy
Are the youth
right now.
of this generation more pressured to perform than the youth of previous generation? I will repeat. Are the youth of this generation more pressured to perform than the youth of previous generation?
For me, I do believe that the youth of today are not pressured in every challenges than the other generations because we have the courage inside us. Like me, I am an Isabelina and I have the courage within me that I don't let the fear control me and I am here standing in front of you overcoming my fears because having courage doesn't mean you don't fear. Having courage means you don't let that fear ruin you. And I know that I am here standing in front of you and I am ready to conquer the stage and I will spread my wings and soar higher. Thank you. We have Queen Ramon.
Ako lang.
How are you?